Welcome back. I am a firm believer that the foundation for a healthy body and house begins in the kitchen. In this lesson, I'm going to show you some of my favorite tips to help you organize your kitchen and pantry so that way you'll be set up for a successful, healthy eating experience. You can refer to the reference sheet for a written link to these steps too. Let's get started. Step one is to prepare. Schedule a full hour where you can completely focus on cleaning out your kitchen and pantry. Make sure that you eat something first so you are not tempted to hold on to things. Tell those that you are living with that you are going to clean out the kitchen in case they want a special area set aside for their food that you would otherwise get rid of. You might want to create a toss pile and a donate pile so you can take food items to your local food bank. Step two is to go through everything and read every ingredient label. Check all expiration dates, including oils and spices, as well as things in your pantry and fridge. You can use Fujicate or you can Google items to see what their ingredients are. Step number three, make a replacement list. Write a list of the product types that you got rid of. This is your new list of things that need to be replaced. You can use a blank grocery shopping template in the next section to create a list if you'd like. Step number four, plan a trip to the grocery store, which I also recommend doing on a full stomach. You can replace the items on the list by importance or buy them all at once. When you're in the grocery store, always read every label on the new products that you are purchasing. Enjoy cleaning out your kitchen.